What you're looking is my dashcam. Lenovo V7 Pro. As you can see, it has a front protruding camera right there. It's a clip on to the original rear view mirror. Now, I have an issue with this. This camera has been with me for a long time. This is the camera that I bought that lasted for so many months or even a year. This is my third dash cam. Okay, so it used to work fine. The footage are very nice, but the back camera started to have a very awful quality of footage. Okay, so as you can see, you can even see that the footage of the back camera is not really nice compared to the footage of the front cam. It's nicer compared to that one. Okay, look at the footage of the front camera. Okay, so that one is very clear, but the back footage is not really good. Alright, so in this episode, we're going to replace the camera for this Lenovo V7 Pro. And hopefully, the quality of the recording will be better. Okay, so we have the wirings up here. So okay, there it is. Before we fix the wiring, let us unbox first the replacement camera. We got adhesives. Okay, so this is the camera itself. We can really test it right now. Okay, so let's test the new camera. Okay. Now let us check if the camera works. That's what I'm talking about.
Nice.
I like it better. It's brighter. Yeah, it's brighter, baby. Camera works, so let's install it. Alright, so we are done. We just have installed the camera, the new camera on this thing, and let's look at the quality inside the cabin. Now would you look at that? It's better now compared to the other one a while ago. And it's even brighter. I mean, the footage is now clearer compared to the one that we removed. Alright, so thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.